Hi guys, today I'm recording just tornadoes 1 or JT 1. I'm intercepting a near 5 and look at the radar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a near 5. I'm in the storm river right now. Oh shoot, I'm reaching the core. I'm reaching the core. Shoot. I'm about to die. Bye bye, guys. Let's fall down. Bounce. Bounce. I'm fine. Oh my gosh, it's a wave of tornadoes, dude. Say day 23, I guess. Moving fast. My wheels, bitch. My wheels, bitch. Shoot. Escape! Lofted, lofted. Lofted, lofted. I got lofted. Oh, shit. You know what? I just want to die. Like, day 25, I guess. Not 23. The herd of tornadoes. They all missed the sewer, dude.ที่ถ่ายวิดีโออยู่ถ่ายวิดีโออยู่
แล้วยังไงแล้วมันจะทำไมปิดเลย
I don't care anymore. Yes, you can get out of the car if you're in a tornado. This can only 230. That's 225. 242. 28. 242. 241. 30. 29. 17. 223. 224. Oh shoot. We have reached core buds. I'm gonna get lost in here. Yup. We're getting lost in, dude. What? No! We have reached the core. R.I.P. Storm reverted. See to it. It's like I don't learn from a lesson in. Yup, it got flung off right before the tornado hit. Well, you should join on day 25 because that's the day when the outbreaks outbreak does its own thing. How can the LNTV van deploy? Tiny vehicle. I'm gonna intercept a tiny vehicle. Oh, sorry. Come on. I've got to end this because my mom said so. So that means, bye guys. Please like and subscribe. Oh, I really hate doing this, but yeah. Bye. Wait, let me show you the game. But I already said that. But yeah. I was playing just Tornadoes 1. Yeah, that's it. Bye guys.